Mic testing. Good morning. Mic testing. Mic. Morning. Morning, Sai. Yes, I'm setting it up. Meanwhile, I think market should be opening in red. Yeah, around 33 points in red. Let us see whether 26,000 is morning, Vinu. Whether 26,000 is held today or not. Okay, I'm just marking the markers. So that is the first thing you should do always. The previous day high. I think till this Fed decision or RBI decision, market is going to be like this. Market is waiting for some catalyst. Even though there is a good cues from international this thing. Morning Sujesh, morning Ajay. Unlock. I'm just setting up things. Just bear with me. Bear with me. Lock. That's done. Max Pain. Max Pain. We can't do it now because today is the first day of what you call the week. So we won't know where the option writers are going to be. Meanwhile, let us eliminate all those lines which I created yesterday. So as of now, previous day low, and I will take this also much below. I think probably they will start writing 25,900 or 26,000 call more viciously, and we may end up seeing that the premiums being so high, the max pain area will be too low. For example, if they write a 26,000 call for 180 points, correct, 180 rupees. That means that they are expecting Nifty to go down below 25,820. Okay, so the max pain will be much low in the first day 1 and day 2. It will actually, it becomes very useful only by Monday. Okay, next Monday only this max pain and all will work. Till that, as it drifts down based on weeks, etc., the price will be keep the max pain will be keep moving up and down. So I think now the trading setup for us has become very simple, very simple now. All you need to do is to uh, just follow the alignment. We again sat down yesterday for quite some time and checked. So those who want to really play it very safe, all they have to do is wait for the alignment. As soon as alignment one candle is done and it's all aligned towards one color, take a positions towards that. That's it. Nothing more you need to do. Those who want only save 20-30 points regularly and in a week and without any making any sweat, usually you can see very clearly. You can go back and check the videos how clear it is. All we need is 20 points. We need 20 points in 5 trades in a week. That's it. So our 100 points will be done, and you add another 10 points for your brokerage. So 110 points should do for your this thing. Those who don't want any BP, pressure, everything, of course, there will be some rare cases we have seen in 4-5 days. Once the alignment comes only one candle, and the next candle there is a shift, okay, flip. But given the VIX is being so low, I am not sure that we are going to have the situation of having flips immediately. Even if VIX goes up, it will become more trending towards one side. That will add more candles than immediately flip. The candle size may go up, morning Sudarshan, morning Pradeep. So the safest bet what we now see is, in fact, in our own family office, for all the kind of close accounts, we have decided we are not going to make any sweat. We will, as soon as the alignment is done, we will take that side call or put, whatever it is in the money, and depending upon our whatever is the margin that is available. Simply wait for next any one of the dots or dash to flip, and we will immediately going to close. And we are going to do that for next 10 to 15 days and see whether are we getting this 110 points per week. That's all. Once if it is done, that will be set as the standard. We are not going to sweat anymore much, not to look for each and every time trade this, that and all. So that is a very simple, but you will have very less number of trades. But what we could see is that minimum 15 to 20 points is we are getting in that. And gradually you can up your number of lots. Surprisingly, Sensex is closing at positive and Nifty is 27 points down. Let us check where the pluses and minus. Sector, consumer durable, defense. Everybody thought because of Putin's visit, the defense stock should do well. But surprisingly, not. Okay. And CNX IT and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is in a kind of a dichotomy, I think, because there is no clarity here either on RBI cutting the rates or Fed cutting the rates. Both the chairmen may end up only giving a dovish statement but not cut. Okay, that will put Bank Nifty in slightly on the back foot. So that is there, and let us see whether from shares perspective anything is done. HDFC, Reliance, Bharati, all heavyweights. TCS is the only one in the top 5, I think, is in green. ICICI Bank is, I don't know when this HDFC and ICICI Bank are going to participate in the bank rally. Literally, other banks have lifted the Nifty bank to 60,000. Axis also, all the private banks are today are on back foot. Okay, none of the heavyweights. As usual, SBI is slowly marching towards 4 digits. Those who are looking for a very good banking stock, don't look further than State Bank of India for long term, medium and long term. So at some point that is going to really explode. If more and more formalization of economy. What do you mean by formalization economy? Still, so many people are not in GST fold. Okay, more than 60% of the trade is happening outside GST. If everybody comes into GST, the best bank to be held will be State Bank of India, because everybody will have to open account. And even now in urban and rural areas, in rural areas and semi-urban etc., people believe only in nationalized banks, not private sector banks, given that they had so many bad experiences with so many banks, correct? So there is a solid belief only on nationalized banks and cooperative banks. So at some point probably SBI will be the biggest having a bank that has the highest market cap. That is my view, but that is in quite long term to come. So Maruti, Bajaj Finance are all in negative, and so overall it is a mixed ship. Okay, so let us see. Today there is not much to in initial times to see what is happening on the option fronts, because today being the first day. But what they are carrying forward, maybe we have a brief look. Okay, so they have added lot of calls yesterday on 26,000, even 26,000. This is 26,200 obviously. So 26,000 as of now looks like a support, and given that Asia is performing well, we might defend 26,000 today. If it does go, seems to be some support, but first half an hour will tell which direction these option writers are expecting the market to move. So after 1 hour we'll check it out. Okay, so let us wait for the market to open. Morning Nias, morning morning Rao, I will call that will be it. Morning Sendil, morning Gopu. I think that good. I don't know whether people missed. So at least within our own family office, we have decided that we will only trade on alignments, and we want to see that. So I will keep you updated. I'm not telling you, you people need to do that. It's up to you guys to do. But what we find is that is the probably safest way to slowly accumulate over a period good capital. So we will take positions on the way that color is on alignments only. So that is our own internal decision, because again yesterday we spent good amount of time on number of bars. We ran a program on again on the number of bars that can come. In fact, we ran for yes, higher win rate than better, yes. And also we ran a program on number of bars that so hardly around 14 to 16% is only where the alignment candles are less than 3. Okay, that is meaning that alignment is there, and within second or third maximum, immediately there is a flip. Otherwise it is 4 candles, 5 candles, 6, 7, and sometimes it is 8, 9 also. It is not going beyond that also. So that is okay there. That is also there. That is, you are not going to get big profits, but you are also not going to get losses. The losses are very, very compared, and even in if it starts that so Nifty is starting at 24, so we'll wait for it to settle down, and we are getting a straight alignment. So yeah, but anyway, the most important thing is to wait for the candle to close at that 5 minutes. You cannot take it in between, say, hey, it is getting aligned, because what we have seen there in our replays also, it is flickering and then also many times becoming aligned or again disaligned. Okay, misaligned rather. Disaligned is not a correct word. Misaligned. Both are happening. So that takes a lot of BP out of our thing, I think. So, but anyway, because we were mostly on futures, okay, not on options. So options, after we set this up only, we have also started to get involved. And now we wanted to initially play it safe, let the capital build, then we will see. So Nifty as usual, immediately it is jumping between plus and minus. It is trying to make a candle. Whether let me check. I think let it do its thing. Wait for this thing to come. Market is trying to settle down, trying to find its feet, whether it is going to go below this. So we have S3 here. It is opened below CPR, which is kind of slightly negative, and it is trying to pierce. Maybe we will get only a what you call put side initially, and then if there is a support that comes to the market, then there can be expiry 12 expiry day. Okay, so let me just set it up. So don't consider this. I have not set it up. I'm just checking whether things are working fine. Okay. So this is strike price for put should be this. So current premium is 237 and 176. So first 5 minutes is getting over now. So market is trying to stay above 20. So the first alignment is coming. So let me check what is that. 25,900. Wow, I never thought we will get this alignment immediately. Above. So the stop loss is steep. So those with high risk, please have a much closer stop loss. Okay. Wait for the alignment to close. 1 second. Yeah. See, the alignment didn't happen. So just wait. The alignment is not happening as of now. You can see it was briefly for a second, it was like that, but again it went off. Nifty is 209 and then 267, 276 and 37. Nifty is 26,150. வணக்கம் சார், வணக்கம். Sendil, thanks. So let me flash it at some point of time, your trades view. This is interesting, yeah. Put is interesting. Actually, this is already in this thing with a very close stop loss. Check it out. This is with a very close stop loss. As I am entering, also you can get into there. It is making some progress. Okay, so this is for non-aligned people. So I will divide people now into non-aligned and non-aligned, like our famous country's famous policy. So as I am entering, also you people can enter this, but no, first 15 minutes only high risk people with deep pockets who can afford to take some risk. Others wait. If others also taking, you should have immediately 1 or 2 point stop loss and then close it up if you want to try it. Otherwise you can wait further this thing. Where is the next target? 253. APML below, this is neutral. Wait, you can even wait for this thing, even though if the price stays above that, they wait for either alignment or these both are now. Nifty overall, let Nifty become overall negative, then you will see this is sustaining above this point. Otherwise it will retrace and this can come into play. So first 1 hour both will keep telling you I am ready, but take morning Vishwas. So first 1 hour of the week I always tell only very high risk people should trade, others should simply sit and watch. Don't have FOMO. Don't have FOMO. If you are getting into those kind of trades, have a very close stop. But even then, the 4 points, 5 points, ultimately what it will do is it will eat up your 130 point full trade. Even this after alignment also it will good, you can wait. Okay, those who have now considering alignment as the primary this thing for us to take, you wait for the red alignment and then take. That is what I am saying. See, there is a price point. See, I can't change the price point for alignment. Okay, so whatever is the pivot strength and weaknesses that we provide in table, that is one level of guidance. You take a second confirmation. Those who want to play it with very safe. You look at it, let the price even go up, doesn't matter, because once the alignment comes, again it is going to go further down in that and you can pick up those 20 or 30 points. Correct? So you wait, you let the alignment come, because it looks like, if overall Nifty comes down to 30%, probably you will get alignment here. Whatever is the price, from 179 it has gone to 187, it doesn't matter, that 10 points. But what it gives you is that 179 becomes your almost stop loss. So you can trade it that way. And again, let me repeat you, alignment based is only small profits, consistent profits, and you will be entering slightly delayed level, but more consistently you can take pluses, but you may not catch the entire big full trade, etc., and all that, because like this the price point can come early, the alignment can come later. So you start judging it properly and then no, do it on your own. So it is jumped. So already first one has come here. BNF selling off down 250 points. Okay, live trading. So for the first target is already done. Wow, I never thought. That's good. Even then, even though alignment has not come. This is good. So week starting itself, what? 215 means more than how many points now? Why is this decay per chart is not coming? Removed. Okay. Roughly 40 points have already come. This is good. Those who have taken, enjoy. Sure. Vishwas, use this setup the way you want to play it. No, everybody can have to have their own way of trading. This is only a trade setup channel. Okay. People can use different components and then make a trade on their own. What I meant is that no, the way you can approach, I said in the morning very clearly, safest people wait for the alignment. Others, no, of course, any point of time you have. So medium risk, what is the hybrid method? I said is that even if you want to take without alignment, since the price point has come, you keep your stop losses very close. That is what I said. Don't wait for the technical stop loss. Made go Sensex PE exited. Super. This is good. When people keep telling me, that yes, they are making money. You can do BNF, everything, because Nifty is falling. Obviously, those also are likely to fall. You can always take that positions. Now relax, Sudarshan. So now this stop loss has changed. So now it has become 186. So earlier it was 192 you have entered. Now it has become, sorry, I have changed it. I should have changed this one. This was 192. What what was the price I gave? 117, 182, correct? 182. So just 3 point stop loss now. Yes, sir, until the next move. They are going to keep volatile and choppy both ways. Yes, they will try to sell the maximum. Those who are joining first time, come back at 3:50, be there till 3:15, then you can also have a session. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to understand the whole setup. First timers, say hi. So now everything is getting aligned now. It's very clearly aligned now. Wait for the candle to close. Yeah, correct. Wait for the candle to close. So market, if it stays for a longer period below 26,000, let us check where is the support. Okay, so the first support is coming somewhere between 925, because the way we always check, correct? And this is a very standard thing. You people should know what we follow is always this. The Fibonacci 50% between two pivot points usually will be the first stop. If that is taken out, then the 100% Fibonacci can come. So let us see whether it stops at 50%. It is not, seems to be stopping at 50%. So this 253 also can come if Nifty stays below 938 for even few more minutes. The alignment has come and we have got top red. So made a high of 242 now. Then Nifty will break below 9,900 also, 25,900 also, if it continues to fall. Those who have entered based on alignment, now you need to keep looking only at the dots. Again I repeat, you will not kind of catch the entire trade, but it will be always safe trades. And there is almost 12 to 14% in that overall. The flip has come within 2 to 3 candles, so both are there, so always remember. So this will be the second target. Okay, once it comes to 253, those who have taken it in the early portion at least offload 50%, because there this price point, if it crosses and sustains, no, you can keep it. Then I can give you, because then the target is slightly bigger. Okay, so I am not opening that up. So let it cross and stay above 253, then it can go to first. Initially there is a small resistance at 267. Once it crosses 253, it has resistance at 267. You just look for that. In fact, I can change that to that. No, first let the target 2 come, then we will see. So those who are watching the flip based on alignment, as soon as you see one, please make a comment, so it will be easy for others also not to miss. I will also keep watching, but if I am just stepped out or let I am doing something else, since I am not trading, so I will be doing something else. What you can, anybody who just sees a flip, you can just make a comment immediately and say caution, there is flip is coming. No, then people will be ready with sale orders. Okay. So this 50% Fibonacci is also taken out. Then 900 will be the, once it goes below 920, we will get our second target quickly. one green dot up has come. So there can be some pullback. Okay. Now the stop loss has come to 206, that is on the near first target. Okay, good move today at Tata Elxsi. Yeah? Okay. So momentum 4%, all bear below APML. Today also there is the patch applied. I am not 100% sure that APML below and above will work perfectly. So just counter check it optically on the chart. We will have challenge only where the price is very close to yellow line. Otherwise it should work properly. Nifty overall short only, top 10 charts is also short. If any of you see a flip dot or a dash, immediately make a comment so that others also will benefit. I'm pretty sure everybody will be watching it, but still some may be watching it in mobile, etc. Nifty should sustain below 940 for more fall. Yes, that is what even I have marked, 938. If it finds support here, once more they will take it up so that they will be able to sell calls, okay, and then again go down. If this option goes below 232, it can sink to 217. Actually 230. If it goes below 230, it can sink to 217. Just a word of a caution. So patiently wait for the right moves. Alignment is still holding. So let me repeat. Sometimes the price point can come early, sometimes the alignment can come early. Okay, the price point can come later also. Both are not totally synchronized. Many times it is synchronized by the entry point, because how we calculate the entry point float is slightly different from the alignment angle. So always remember that. You can use a hybrid method of both and then make your entries, or you can take it much before, simply only look at price point. So many probably who has done lot of very very good trades based on price point, they can always enter that. Remember, price point has almost 26 to 27, 24 to 26% negative win ratio, and this has got 12%. See that line, it is trying to hold. That is the Fibonacci between two pivot points. I think what is putting the market on the back foot is there is another 3,600 crores worth of selling by FIIs yesterday. So it is again, there seems to be a next wave of selling by FIIs. That I think the informed people will know that this is going to happen. So they are probably positioning themselves for that. Because we don't know what is the total value. Again, recently, some few days it came down below 1,000 crores and all that. But now again, yesterday, very widespread basket selling took place, I believe. And the market, that is putting some negative sentiment. Even though Asia is really good, Dow futures is also on positive. Still, we are going down. Another thing, the reason why it is going, lot of people should know, is that because US India rate, it is already touching 90. I keep repeating, people think that if forex in the Indian rupee becomes cheaper, it is good for the FII. No, it is exactly the opposite. If forex falls 5%, they lose much bigger amount even than the equity, because they get lesser and lesser dollar to take back. Correct? Whatever that shares that is gaining, that will get negated by the US dollar. You do a simple math of 80 rupees dollar investment by a FII, and then when he takes back with the same price, okay, there is no change in price. 1,000 rupees HDFC bought at 80 rupees per dollar, and then when he sells, he gets the same 1,000 rupees. Now he won't take dollar, he will take only 80 cents, because now it has become 90 rupees. So the US dollar India, INR USD parity is the one which is really driving the many of the FIAs to sell and go off. because they may have a projection of 98 rupees or 105 rupees. Okay, so for them, Nifty may go up, but if US dollar comes down, it will hit their cost. It will come down to their cost level. Now we are start getting a first green candle. So those minimum you should have at least to start having your stop losses appropriately, and also know those who have entered later should have at least cost to be covered. Keep your stop losses close by. That's it. 14.4%. Momentum is almost become zero. So from zero it can go up only. So remember, maybe it will sustain one more candle, another 2 minutes. So if the next candle doesn't get that green dot, then again Nifty will go down in our momentum meter, because it is trying to hold this 38, 39, 40, 41, the line that I have drawn. Below 230, this option can quickly tumble down to 217. So remember, to 225, sorry. Now it is to 225. So below 225, then it will tumble down to this weak point. There you go. Still alignment is very much there. Remember. Morning, William. Long time no see. Yes, Sendil, there seems to be a possibility, Sendil, but two pressure points are there, Sendil. One is that it is now gone below the 40, 30, that line, no, once it goes below that line, 800 will have some support, okay. Once it goes below 800, it can tumble down to this point. At any point, that support can come. See, you are approaching S5, okay. It is not necessary Nifty will always go to S5 or to R5. In between itself it will turn around. So any of the Fibonacci level between S3 and S5, if you draw 17, 25, 37, 50, 67, 75 and 87 and 100, anywhere it can stop and again recover. Okay, because there can be selling exhaustion, and maybe if you go back and look, that point can be a very critical resistance point. So for 850 is possible, because that is where last time also from bottom we came and kept hitting at 850 and going down. So below 850 it is a bigger massacre. Then 25,500 will straight away come within 2-3 days. So bulls will try to not test it at 860. They will try to do it before. Okay. But test is possible. So the other way to approach your trading is, we know 24%, if you take price point etc. and all, 24% of our trades is in going to be on negative side. So each trade you assume that is going to be the trade. Okay, you keep your stop losses accordingly, and once the cost is covered, okay, this is not the trade. After that, let it run. So now it is already 250 now. So even if you are taking it after alignment, you would have already made 20 points. So that is what is the power of this alignment. Safe. Wanted to be out from trade for a few days, sir. I saw yesterday around 3 p.m. your dashboard is entirely different. Good improvement. William, if you are able to stay back till 3:15, for all the newcomers, I will take one session. So you can also join us. Okay. So this is what we meant by alignment. Despite so many pullback, pushback, etc., once it is aligned, 5 to 6 candles, 20 points to 22 points is confirmed. Now this is already you have made 22 points here, correct? Around 229 or something the alignment came. It is already 250. Those who want to play it very, very safe, you can do that. Others can enter into price point and then also ride till the flip comes. So 256 also has come now. The next target is 270, 269, 267. $266, sorry. And above that, I am sorry, I don't have any target. The alignment is very much there, as expected. Layer broken with this candle. Day by day, your setup is making people like us to trade without fear. That is the whole idea, Williams. So we wanted to take it away. Don't think and trade. Don't have a view and trade. We saw, with lot of discussion, we felt that this is the problem for option buyers. So there has to be a platform which should at least give some security. No, it is not I can say every time we will be successful, etc. and all that. Only thing is, you people should help me to improve my subscriber rate. If that doesn't take place, if the company feels that monetization is not happening, then we will make this channel private. Of course, even if 25,900 should hold, okay, we will see. We will let the chart tell us. No live trading. So views, yes, definitely, more than welcome. But we will always wait for the alignment to go, get a flip here, okay. Then we will see. We will immediately react. We will react to the chart. If you watch CNBC regularly, this Anuj Singhal, I like him because he is also one of the person who tries to defend the retail investor protection. He will keep telling, चार्ट चीख चीख के बोल रहा है, चार्ट चीख चीख के बोल रहा है कि मैं गिरने वाला हूँ, नहीं ऊपर जाने वाला हूँ. He keeps on repeating. जो चार्ट में दिखेंगे, we will take a chance. You see this commentary also. Many of these people will say, boss, look at chart. Chart will tell you what to do. Yes, you have a view. You think it will fall, it will go down, it can come up, etc. Forget all that. Take that clutter out. Look at the chart. Now we have a system where alignment is there, or price point is there. As long as that is there, we will hold. That's all. Let it change and immediately we will close. Let it hold 25,900. Let it hold 25,800. We are not worried. Once you say, okay, whether it will hold, it won't hold, okay, around 25,900, it is going to reverse, etc., I will close. That is where you may miss profit, or you will wait for it to come and hold, all that. No. Look at the chart. Don't think and trade. Look and trade. That's it. So below 20 usually is a weak position for Nifty, because 20, 50 and 80 is Fibonacci in between points that has both strength and weaknesses. Nifty is trading below 920, so it may test 900. Whether it goes below that or not, I don't know. And since this is being the last frontier of resistance, I'm like live trading FCN is telling, 25,900 holds, this 266 can come and then immediately will close off. That is a possibility. So those who have entered even on alignment, they should be sitting. So let me change the stop loss or the weak point. I will start using the word weak point. Where is that? So it is a good start to the week. Those who are joining first time, please say hi. Then I will run a session at 3:15 without going through the session. There is a video pinned in the top. You can have a look at it, and around 3:15 I will have a session, so you people will understand. First say hi, subscribe and say hi. Then we can set up a knowledge session around 3:15. So if you say hi only, I will take, because then I will know somebody new is coming. Those who are joining first time, जो पहली बार आ रहे हैं, हाई बोल दीजिए. 3:15 बजे को एक सेशन लगेगा कि कैसे ट्रेड करने का, यूजिंग दिस, और ये रंगीन चार्ट को यूज़ करके हाउ टू ट्रेड. 3:15 बजे को सेशन लगेगा. सो फर्स्ट से हाई, सब्सक्राइब एंड से हाई. Otherwise, I would think that all of you are returning viewers, so I won't plan any session. Rangeen, Rangeen. विश्वास I need to speak in Hindi, नहीं तो मैं पूरा हिंदी भूल जाऊंगा. So whenever no, we get my classmates from school mates etc. from Delhi, no, so we try to speak and they try to speak to me in Tamil because they are away from Tamil, and I try to speak to them in Hindi. No, both of us will try to keep up pace with the language. इसलिए see one dot, first four dots came on the top. I thought flip is going to come. It didn't come. Now one more dot has come. Whether we see whether the flip comes or not. Okay. So this 266 may not come. It looks like Nifty may hold 900. If it does come, that will be good. Then my all three targets should have been done. जो भी नए हैं एक बार कमेंट में सब्सक्राइब करके हाय लिख दीजिए. 3:15 को सेशन होगा. देयर इज इज ओल्ड संजीव कुमार जोक. मैं नया हूँ बोलेगा ना, द अदर गाय विल से अरे पुराने हो के आते, नए क्यों आए हो. I don't know Vivek Joshi is there or not. If he is there, he would remember that joke. Now trail your stop losses. I have already changed, but you need not wait till 236. Okay. How many of you have booked this put? Please make a comment. Taken trade and taken money. At least let me know. My commentary has helped, or this system has said booked Nias super. Who else are holding or booked? No, you can type both. No, I leave it to you. There is no compulsion that when you have to sell, buy, etc. You missed Sujish, okay. Allowed alignment, followed alignment and booked, super. Anybody else? Nowadays people are not revealing. I booked daily, didn't realize it can fall further, okay. Scalped, booked, 4 lots, super. Okay, that makes my day. Chetan, I don't know whether you followed the price point or alignment. Okay, if you have followed price point, you can keep revising. Also liked, sir. Ajay missed. No issue. ये गाड़ी नहीं तो it is like bus stand. No, if we miss this bus, next bus will come. You are always making traders day. Let us hope that the community becomes big here. Next bus, yes, next bus. We will now wait. But of course, those who are still holding and hoping 266 come. It can come also. There is because our alignment has not yet changed. Just watch the alignment. Alignment is still very much in red. Okay, we are all short. And this 0, it is 0. Okay, this APML is what I need to work it out. Sir, will you change the premium option? I didn't get you, sir. The strike price you are saying. Yes, strike now is high. Yeah, I understand. I asked my Australian friend to watch this stream. He is working in institutional option selling. Oh, okay. Let us see. Vishwas, let this alignment be over, okay? Then definitely I'll work out something. 266 can also come because Nifty is not able to sustain above 920. If 900 is given up, this 859 can come. If 900 this is given up, so don't try to enter again, etc. and all that. You wait for this to cross, then have some 2-3 points below as your stop loss, and then enter at that point. If you are entering now, let me give a revised stop loss. So now you have a 10 point stop loss. If you are entering now, it is 243 only now. Always remember, neither we will catch the bottom nor we will be able to catch the top. Nobody has done that. Even the biggest and greatest investors, they have never done that. So there is always a aim to catch 50 to 60% of the move. That's it. So don't feel bad. Oh, I exited at 253. Now it is going to 266. That's okay. That's okay. We will wait for the next one. Our idea is what is the points we want, not what the trade is giving. So we are happy with the 30 points. You take that and wait. That's all. This FOMO is the biggest factor of people losing a lot of money. I don't know. Sendil, Sai and all are not replying. I don't know whether they have taken it or not taken it. I don't know whether Rajam joined us. So I see Amit Dangar joined us or not, I don't know. Yesterday he was there. See that alignment? It is still very much on the negative side. So we in our this thing family office, we take it in even number lots, okay, and at 60 or 70% before to the target. For example, we started with 207, I think, as target, some 250 or something. Let us assume 210 and 250 is 210 we are entering and 250 is the first target. Around 235, 240 we book 50%. And then keep the balance too and see if the first target goes, and then keep trailing at the where we have taken the first lot. So 237, if I have, let us assume I have closed 2 lots and it is still going up, I will keep now the stop loss at 237, then keep revising as it goes up. So that is the method we follow. So as soon as it goes above 20, you can see how, so this has now hit, okay, the weak point has come. So all should have exited now. Nobody should be holding any more position now. Jai Sri Ram Rajan. I was asking whether I don't know whether you joined early and took the trade. Usually you are one of the earliest person to say yes, I have taken, made, etc. So just wanted to know. So we had a very good trade. I don't know whether you joined us early or later, and you taken or not. I don't know. I just wanted to know. Okay. Morning, Naveen. We are at very fag end of a trade that is almost no target 2, I think target 2 it's reached and closed out. Yes, you can see that, no, that put trade, you can see the table, Naveen. People have taken it on the short side when the alignment has come. Based on the strength and weakness chart, they have taken it on the short side. He's trying to trade options in India. Buying. Okay, okay. Thank you for remembering me. Nowadays, my husband has taken over my trading. Doing perfect. Oh, Mr. Radhakrishnan. Okay. I think I saw. No, sorry. I don't know whether is your name only. You earlier used to come Rajam Radhakrishnan. Correct. Correct. Okay. Super. Is he joining this channel or doing it from other place? Or it's on his own? Oh, okay. Shaker, what does the first line of discontinuous green dot indicate? That is the leading indicator, Shaker. So now you see these dots have come. Okay, the first alignment has come. So even those who have got alignment should have already closed anyway. The stop loss also has hit. This, Shaker, this will, oh great. These dots usually means that there is going to be a flip coming. You can see first it will come, whether it doesn't come, but whenever you get a green dots, then you get a green here. Then the alignment will go as misaligned. It is giving you an heads up. Market is likely to turn. That is what the top greens mean. Okay. Now APML is above. Yes. Now let us see whether this 192 comes. If market tries to recover here and go towards 26,000, we might get this thing. Those who are doing it with price point should do, and those who are waiting for alignment, not yet, Sudarshan, not yet. I don't think so. I think it is fixed, but I need to check it in the live. Correct. In the replay, it is saying it is correct, but there is slightly more complicated because that line is a totally a different program. Okay, this momentum meter is totally a different program. So we are trying to take the feed from there and calculate and post it here. There is some challenge there. And that too, that is a cluster moving average. So that is also another complication. Hope someday we will get it. As of now, please use optically. Okay, optically till that problem is 100% solved. We will keep a watch. So now no trade. Once the traffic signal comes in our momentum meter, keep the mouse away. Keep the mouse away. Yeah, I think so. Because if the US future stays green throughout the day, there will be a point I think Nifty will try to recapture 26,000. Now don't worry if this put goes to 250, 260 and all that. Okay. Those who are doing alignment. Those who are still thinking abhi or market ludkega and all that, you have to wait. For all we know that 266 can also come. Okay, remember. We are not here to capture every bottom from bottom to top to bottom, etc. No. We are here to capture only what we want. We want 30, 40 points, 50 points. So around it went to 5,000 means what? It is 40 plus another 17, 57 points. We are done. 60 points and all is really good. So 50, around 50, 55 points we have already captured, I think. So just be happy. Don't overtrade. For all we know, Nifty may spend sideways in this range for quite some time. Okay. My tendency to draw boxes, you people know. So for all we know, Nifty may spend till 130 this range. If it does that, do some good other work. If this PNF candle sustains below 59,000, another 200 falls will drag Nifty. Okay. Then our 266 also will come. Let us see which has contributed the maximum to this fall. L&T, Reliance, HDFC Bank is now turning around. So 59,000 is being held by the bulls using HDFC and ICICI Bank. Maybe they are bottoming out. Kotak is in very bad shape. Maruti is down. It was up in the morning. M&M is also down. Something else is triggered there. Auto sector maybe is doing bad. See 276 points. FMCG 300. IT is only one which is doing fine. Rest everything is in red. So what it means is the broader market is bleeding. Okay. So these heavyweights like TCS, ICICI, Infi, HDFC, only these are holding the Nifty, not for further fall. Okay. So if now Reliance also turns around and makes a positive this thing, and Kotak Bank turns, then probably Nifty again will recover. But the bleed in the broader market is too much. First timers जो पहली बार आए हैं, please say hi. I will run a class around 3:15. You need to subscribe and say hi. Then only I will take the session in the evening. Joseph Piljo. Hi, good morning. Sir, first time to this channel? Okay, so there is a video pinned in the top. It's possible, just have a look at it before 3:15. So it will be easy for you to kind of very quickly get it. How long you have been trading? 6 months only. Okay, new and learning. Great. So just be there by 3:15, because those who are joining first time during the day, be sure that you join us by 3:10 or 3:15, because the market is weak, etc. No, by 3 o'clock itself we can take that session. Okay. Joseph Gijo, no, Joseph Lijo. Okay. I assume you are from Kerala. Which part of Kerala? But now outside. Okay. Tirshur. Super. Now we are now having traffic light. It is a relaxed time, rest time. Keep the mouse away. Keep the mouse away. Okay. Don't think that market has bottomed out, now it is making green candle, above it is going to go up and all that. Okay, either the price point should come or alignment should come. Till that, it is risk. Today is the first day. This is the time they will try to attract both sides. Okay, the reason why I drew this box so early on the first day, they have to tempt both the buyers, both call buyers as well as the India loving put buyers, put loving India buyers. So they will keep showing you green candle, red candle, all big doji candles. So you will think, we will think another 20 points we will catch this side, another 20 points we will catch that side. Nothing will come. Just don't trade now. I think that is the reason maybe a lot of people are not joining our channel. We keep repeating, don't trade. Watching first time, say hi and subscribe. Then we will have a knowledge session again. So maybe this 266 is coming. That is okay. Let it go to even 500. We don't care. So Bank Nifty has given up 59,000. Whoever is first time, no, say hi, subscribe and say hi. So Bank Nifty has given up 59,000. So that is the reason we are seeing this fall again. So 266 is also coming. If it goes above 266, those with big packets can enter and keep 265, 264 as your stop loss, and then kind of, no, people can trade, but others simply wait. We will wait patiently, we will wait for the next turn. That's it. Let's keep redrawing this table. So this is market. Now again market has to break this low for it to go down again. Otherwise it can remain within this range. So I'll keep redrawing so that we will know where the upside can come. Actually, you can bring it down to here, this point. Technically speaking, now this line will become the resistance point, correct? Because this is the 50% Fibonacci. Whether it breaks below this or not, we need to see. And whenever the candles are touching and kind of always within the very close range of yellow line, you go back and check the videos. Okay, as long as it is away from our magical line, if it is away from our magical line, there is a trend, either whether on the upside or on the low side. But once it starts touching this, the market becomes sideways. Now yellow line, how it moves will decide where the market is going. Again, if yellow line goes up and the price goes below, then like this one more round of drop down also can come. Otherwise it can turn around and go up. See how beautifully they attracted 265 up to 262 or something it went, and sudden one drop 12 points. That is why I said don't try to capture the last mile. Get down before 1 mile and then let it go another 10 miles also, don't worry. It will eat away all the profit that you have made in the morning. Another good habit is that if you have made a trade on one side and you have booked profit, again if the trades run on that side, you ideally speaking you should keep away from trading. नो और गिरेगा तो हम और मरेंगे, बस. पेशेंस, नाउ वेट. जितना आना चाहिए आ गया, बस. वॉट एवर वी आर सपोज टू गेट वी ऑलरेडी गॉट. There is no alignment. Okay, this is now going into the stage of neutral. So put definitely from 0 it has now already come up to 38%. This was 4%, now it has come up to 29%. Overall status stop has also increased. So patiently wait for this trade to mature. On the other side, if it doesn't mature, fine. I'll be back in a minute. Hi sir, good morning. I'm Radha Krishna. Hello sir. Good, good to know. Good to know that you are also joined our channel. That is good. So how long you been trading, sir? Last one. Okay, okay. So instead of me screaming, suddenly what has happened to this? Lock. Where is this text? Okay. That's all. So let them. We'll put it a straight setup. I'm trading last 1 year. Super, sir. So do kind of recommend to your known circle about this channel. So that will be helpful to us. Those who are joining first time, say hi. There will be a knowledge trade, not no trade setup session around 3:15 p.m. Oh no. Lock and anchor. As expected, market is what happened? They change something here. Pivot, Acharya. So just give me a second. What happened to the momentum meter? Here, I find your stream targets extremely good. Okay, thank you. First time people who are joining, so be at 3:15. There is a pinned message in the top. You can check that. But before that, you need to subscribe if you want to be in that session around 3:15. We will explain to you what is the how is the trade setup done and how you can use that and trade on your own. This channel is not on okay, Clark. First time I have not seen your mail ID. This is the first time I am seeing Clark, click, Luklu. I don't know. Okay, how to pronounce that. Those who are joining first time, subscribe and come back at 3:15. There is a pinned message is also there. Video, you can watch that. Okay? Hindi or English. Say hi. So at least we will come to know. As of now, the market is doing nothing. It's just wilding its time between 9:20 and 8:58. 8:90 or something like that. Oh, I put the wrong one. Just a second. We have gone back to Stone Age. Stone Age. Good. So, clock click click clue. Your first time to this channel, or you already been here? Just watch, do nothing. Now this it is making a green candle above yellow line. Remember me, sir? Yes, Prashidev, I do remember. You are one person who will comment and then immediately retract your comments. So how can I forget you? So scalpers etc. will can look at that and say, okay, I will take for scalping. For those, wait for the price point or alignment. There you go. Message retracted. Pratush Dev do not want to leave any digital footprint. Above APML alignment is still mixed. The Nifty overall is around short in both. Momentum is also in short, and Nifty overall also in short. First, I think this momentum where probably one more green dot can come, and we'll see whether this Nifty overall position also changes. Still long way to the price point. I think step by step we have improved. Yeah, I think, slowly I think first we were focused on clean green candles and red candles and above and below. That also kind of gave a 60-40 kind of 70-30 kind of win ratios. Then we improved on this meter 0 to 40, 40 to 60, and then finally now we have come down to alignment. So that is we kept on refining our entry points so that we are narrowing down our loss ratio. Now we will always pay now more time to spend, patiently wait, cash the trade, make the money and go. So the US futures is 144 points long. So turnaround can be expected in the market.